In this video, I am going to do a demo slash review on the Hello Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector. If you want to see what this does or how it worked for the humongous birthmark that I have on the right side of my face and the other spots that I have, stay tuned. Okay, so before I go in and put the corrector on, I actually moisturized my face with olive oil, but I washed my face. I always wash my face before I apply makeup. I use this Neutrogena thing. I don't remember the name of it. It's not the one that I usually use. For those who've watched previous videos of me using the Neutrogena cleanser, it's actually a foaming wash. I'll put the names of everything in the description box down below. I actually use 2 primers. Long story, I won't get into why I'm using 2 primers, but this is the Rimmel Stay Matte, and this is the Manani Prime Shield. I use 2 primers, I mix them and I use them, and now I'm just going to go ahead and apply the corrector. Just squeeze it out. I actually have a video already of me using this corrector, showing you how to use a corrector. So I'll link that video in the description box down below also. I don't put it on very heavily because if you put too much on, you look like the color of the corrector underneath. So because this is like an orange, I usually my skin looks too orange if I put like a thick layer on. So very thin layers on my spots, all the spots that I want, or all the blemishes or marks that I want to conceal. So I'm done. I'm just gonna come real close and show you where and where I put and how the type of tint. It's like a tint. I didn't put it on or apply it very thick. The thing with this concealer, well, this corrector I should say, is that it moves all around the place. It doesn't stay put. That's why I don't know, it just doesn't stay put. And I'll just like use a small section of my face to show you exactly what I mean. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me in Mocha, and I'm just going to go right in and apply this. Okay, so firstly I had to put on more makeup that I would usually wear because I have to hide the orangeness in my face. If you look closely here, where my I have a birthmark here, so I actually put it over my birthmark to conceal it. Firstly, I can still see my birthmark. I can still see my birthmark. And I can see a little bit of the orange. Now, according to what I was reading up online about correctors and how you use them and what they're used for, basically they're saying that correctors help neutralize spots and blemishes and red parts on your face, or like say you have a bruise and you want to neutralize it, or you want to hide it, conceal it, make it look inconspicuous, make it look normal basically. So they gave you, like, there's a guide. I'll put all of this in the description box down below because I'm using my phone to record and I can't get the information off my phone to read. But basically they're saying like yellow can neutralize purple. So I'm guessing that my birthmark is light in complexion, so probably I would have needed not this color or a yellow. Maybe I would have needed a different color to conceal the light part. But in terms of the dark spots on my face, or let's say if for instance I had dark circles around my eyes or under my eyes, I would use a yellow concealer basically. But the information that I found, I'll definitely link it down below, and you could read up on it. It's very simple, very straightforward. So I'll just I have to put more foundation on this side because it's still looking a bit orange and it didn't really conceal my birthmark. Okay, so I put on a little bit more foundation. The truth is, I really think that this works better than the concealer in the same brand, because when I use a concealer in the same brand, it doesn't hide my birthmark as well. So I should probably start using corrector, instead of using a concealer to conceal my dark spots and this birthmark of mine. So I'll just finish up my face and then I'll come back and finish up the review. Basically, I would recommend you using this corrector. Well, after you apply the corrector, you apply your foundation over it with a beauty blender. I noticed that it works better like that. I did not use a foundation brush in this video. A few months ago, I was using a foundation brush, but I stopped using foundation brushes to apply my foundation. I now use my beauty blender, and it shifts more when you use your foundation brush and shifts less when you use your corrector. Overall, it did the job, although I had to like put excess foundation. I wish like you could get like a real feel as to what's the lighting. My issue and my videos is always lighting. Like if you check my Instagram page and you look at the photos, you'll see how much better makeup looks on my face on my Instagram page versus in my videos because of the poor lighting. But in terms of smell is neutral. There's a little hint of something in there, but it doesn't smell bad. It smells really clean and fresh, and it doesn't irritate my skin. It removes itself very easily with baby wipes. It comes out very easily. And in terms of how it lasts, I'll test that theory now. It's actually 10:35, so I'll go on the road and I'll run some errands, and then I'll come back and show you how it held up. Alright, minus sun, see my face, at least you get the gist. But all in all, it's now about 7 minutes to 1 o'clock, and this is what it looks like. I think it works better than the concealer in that brand. I had actually stopped using it, but I am going to start using it again. I kind of got some lipstick on my chin, and lipstick is smudged because it's winter. The place is very cold. When you go out on the road, you have to cover your mouth. I think the consistency of this could have been a little bit more thicker, and in terms of stain action, it could have stayed more because it moves around a lot. And I didn't necessarily want to apply so much foundation, although really my foundation doesn't look that cakey today, but I didn't want to have to apply so much foundation. I wish it had better coverage, but all in all, it's affordable. I would buy it again. And let me know what type of corrector and in what brands you use. The sun is in my face. I need to like end the video. Anyway, that's all for now. If you're new to my channel, don't leave without subscribing. I do a lot of reviews and lifestyle videos and blah 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 and chat and all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.